Welcome back, everybody. What we're doing here is on the 51, the alternator went bad. So what I did is cleaned it all up. As you can see here, it's really shiny. The reason it is because once I cleaned it all up, it was a little bit dull, so I put some semi-gloss on it, hit it with a heat gun and painted it. I'm putting the webbing back in. What I'm doing here right now is this whole, the charge unit, it bolts down here, here, and here. And as you can see, right here, I'm putting it back on because what has happened here is it quit charging because this is the two prongs that touch the motor that contacts spring out. Well, the holster broke, so I had to repair it. See, now they're all pressed down in there. Someone pressed the prongs in too hard and it snapped it. So now what I'm doing after rebuilding it and cleaning it all out, see, it was dulled like in here, but you can see out here it's shiny. That's why I put semi-gloss and then heat gun it. Anyway, bolt everything, clean your contacts and everything, put it back in, then put your motor back down in here, and you can see they're spring loaded onto here. Clean this up a little bit with Scotch-Brite or what you use, 220 grit, something, but not too rough. And then put it down in there, and then you pull the pin that spring loads. Put the front on, go through the whole dang alternator and rebuild it because it was charging. It's just that broke. So I figured I'd go ahead and, you guys like my tattoos, huh? Yep, we got a daughter, so she likes to. Anyway. This is a 62 through 74 GM alternator. That's all I noticed when you look online. Trying to figure out what it is. It's a 62 through 74. One problem, I have to tap this one, snapped. But it's not going to not hold it together tight with these three. This one doesn't matter. I'm trying to tell you a little bit. It's not. I mean, if it is too snap, you got a problem unless they're crossed on each other like this. I mean, on a truck like what I'm using for around the yard, it's not going to be a big deal. But I mean, if I was going to drive it on an expressway to like Indiana or something, yeah, I would not be driving it with 3 bolts in it. Like, just 30, 40 miles here and there, because see, it pinches tight all the way around either way, even if it isn't directly here, and it's going to be, because see, watch, there's nothing wrong with it. Oh. I reset the pin and I pulled it apart. I cut the video for a minute because you have a notch on this little rusty, which is your charge unit inside, and there's a groove into it, and it was off such a hair, and this aluminum catches on it, so I had to take the top off, which pulled the pin. So I reset those, restarted the video, slid it together, and made sure it's perfect, and we just popped the bolts in. So there you go. About 900 times better than when I took it apart. There goes the pins in there. Now you can hear them. So we're good. This thing will charge really well now.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna 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 face myself. No. myself. I don't wanna face myself.
What I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna put wave washer